Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you some exercises that I'm doing. I just started exercising about 3 days ago, so this video is for unconditioned people like myself and for beginners. And so if you're interested in seeing what I'm doing, stay tuned. This is my little area that I've set up for exercise. I picked up this mat from Aldi's. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is wrap my abdomen area with some cellophane. Yes, cellophane to help me sweat. And this is a Go Fit waist trimmer shaper that I picked up from Academy. I didn't want to get one of the corset types because I don't like anything tight. I want something nice and comfortable so I can at least get used to it. So as you can see, this is the area I'm targeting. Of course, I know you can't target weight loss, but this will help some. So that's what I'm doing. I heard you can rub vapor rub or different types of cream on your abdomen to help lose some of the fat, so I'll be looking into that. But for right now, I'm just wrapping it with the cellophane and wearing my waist trimmer. This will be my third day. I've been trying to do a 20-minute workout every day. I started out slow. First I do a warm up. I do know that you're supposed to get your heart rate up. So right here I'm doing some jumping jacks that are wearing me out. That's what happens when you unconditioned. But I try to do a 20-minute workout, and I'll gradually increase it to 30 minutes, 45 minutes, and maybe an hour. That's my goal. So I'm getting my heart rate up right here. I'm doing 3 sets of 15. So I got my timer here. So I usually try to warm up. I mean, of course I'm not a trainer or a fitness person. This is just my little routine that I come up for myself, because remember, I'm having a lifestyle change. I'm not just trying to lose a bunch of weight and then go back to my normal routine. I'm changing my entire lifestyle. So I'm trying to incorporate things that I know I will do on a regular basis and kind of things that I enjoy. So as I start seeing results, that motivates me to keep going. So this video is to inspire beginners like myself that are out of shape, that are getting older, and realize the mistakes that we have made in life. Like, I've drank sodas for years. That's why I have all this weight in my midsection, which makes me uncomfortable. I do not have low self-esteem, but it's just an area that I do not care for. So I'm working on it. So that's all I can do, is try to work on it. I caused the problem, so who better to fix it than myself? So right here I'm just still warming up, and now I'm gonna do some stretching. So this has been working for me. I'm not going to do anything to harm myself physically. I'm just going to take it slow. So that's what I'm doing. So I hope you guys get some motivation from this video, because just like my natural hair journey and my debt-free journey, I'm just sick and tired of being sick and tired. So once I get sick and tired, watch out, because I'm finna work on it. So I'm still doing my debt-free journey. I'll have a 90-day update coming soon. We had some financial obstacles that slowed us down, but even in a journey, there are going to be obstacles. So just get back on track. So right now, and remember to breathe. Breathe in through your nose and blow out your mouth. So I'm all warmed up. So let's get to exercising. Alright everybody, that's gonna conclude this video. So this exercise chart came with the mat that I purchased from Aldi. The mat was like, I think $9.99, and so I put some motivational words up, and I'll be adding more words to keep me motivated while I'm working out. So this mat is a foam exercise mat, and I'll do a full review after I've used it about 30 days. And it is by the company Crane, and it's very comfortable. I like it better than my yoga mat that I spent $15-20 for. It's nice and thick and comfortable. So I try to work out about 20 minutes a day. So this workout was a little shorter. Ooh, can't do that. Look at the picture. She doing this.